Good evening, everybody. I am out with the absolutely gorgeous Fiona, who's being quite well behaved today, which is always nice, isn't it? Yes, I know, she's completely mad, but we love her. Mwah. Don't we? We're watching, I've jinxed it now. We're watching Gemma and Rafe build a tent. And you can see Harry is supervising in the background. Just a typical evening at Avian Retreats. I hope you're all very well. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Fiona says she loves you, and yeah, we'll see you all very soon.